This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
How would you characterize your feelings as you look at the aggregate industry specifically, Josh, for the remainder of 2025? And I know we're still rather early into this year, but are you starting to get a feel for what 26 might look like at this point?
You know, from our standpoint, we're bullish. We have a very strong demand from our client base. From the people I have, the other manufacturers and such that are here at Ag One, I have heard some people saying it's a good start to the year, but nothing that's breaking the books. We're a little different. We have extreme demand right now. It's been a very, very good year, and we see that continuing on until at least through the first quarter of next year. So I'm happy with where it's at, but I also do think there's still room for growth.
Because of the demand you're talking about, Josh, just wanted to kind of put this out there and see where you go with it. But I feel like a trend I've seen in recent years, maybe coming out of COVID, was that not every equipment manufacturer, but manufacturers were kind of reevaluating their processes and how they produce things to maybe streamline production or increase production capacity by, adding facilities or just readjusting how they went about things, their setups, I suppose. Have you guys done anything like that, or have you reevaluated the way Philippi-Hagenbuch is structured from a manufacturing standpoint with your facilities? Or
Kevin, absolutely. We did everything you just mentioned. COVID provided us the opportunity to really look at our processes and look at our engineering and how can we tweak designs to make them easier to manufacture, take less man hours to manufacture a given product, as long as the quality and the strength and the life of that product remains the same or better. And so we have been able to optimize the manufacturability of our products, thus being able to produce more in the same amount of time, more units. And so that just has been helpful because it is hard to get skilled laborers. It's hard to get skilled welders and machinists and everybody for that, building large steel assemblies. Because of that and because of the demand, about a year ago we expanded into Texas. So we have a second operation outside of Dallas, and we're fully building now in Peoria and Dallas. So in our 56-year history, this is the first time we have manufacturing consistently in two locations. And we are fully committed at the Texas facility through next February.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.